the gym real quick and then come back, fix the fucking pitcher rinser, roast some Guatemalan because I'm almost fucking out and I can't run out tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, so pitcher rinser fix, Guatemalan, and some scissors. Catch you guys in a bit. So, went to the gym real quick. It was a shitty chest workout, but that's fine. What? Parts came in for this mofo. And I ordered extra shit because, well, if this happens again, I'm fucking prepared. And yeah, so I'm gonna turn off the water. Got the old Selecticize here. And we'll get this thing fixed right. Right now, it's actually held for a fucking week as is, and I'm really impressed. And when I take it apart, I'll show you why I'm so fucking impressed. Because it shouldn't have lasted. I'm gonna start with just taking this little top piece off. It's pretty fucking simple, it's just piece plastic. Oops, don't have it on very tight anyway. So, this is just the little spin jet side. Literally just spins there. The little flex washer, got this little dilly, the pushy downy thingy. I got an extra one of these, just for shits and giggles. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it yet. But anyway, these are really simple actually. Literally it's just a push valve. It's actually terrifying how simple these fucking things are. I don't think this is the best design. Like, the valve part's awesome. It's the, I don't know, I just don't like how it's mounted. So, this is the valve. When I push down on it, right there, I don't know if that makes sense. This is the top piece, right there. Literally just does that. And this little piece sets in there, has a little seat. And that O-ring keeps water from coming out the outside. But the problem is this little bastard. Is it gonna focus? Maybe not. I don't know, it's gonna focus. But anyway, it's this little O-ring. That's not how that's supposed to be. So I'm gonna take this apart. I'll show you exactly how it goes back together. Well, I hope they sent me the right parts, because I just fucked this one up. I mean, this wasn't even the right fucking part, so. There's that O-ring. Right there. This little rebuild kit also comes with a new spring, all the new gaskets, so we'll just do that. So this is the piece that's supposed to go where I was talking about. And this is what I was using instead. Sorry, my fingers are dirty. But yeah, now you see why I'm so surprised that that little fucker worked. Okay. Just these little pieces you're seeing right here, it's $30. This is a whole valve assembly. This was $170. It's a bit much. So this is the new spring. This is the old one. That makes more sense. Into the housing, then that. Oh, we gotta do this right. Hold on, I'm fucking up. Redo this in. Oh, alright, so new rubber. The Jabata, the valve part. If you can see, water goes in there. It comes out the little side holes. So when it's in there, like that's closed. Huge difference, by the way. And that's open. You can see little holes. So when I push down on it, that goes open. I can't explain this anymore. You guys are gonna get tired of me fucking talking about it. So you get the idea. New gaskets. Slides right in there. Just snug her up. Good fucking time to clean it up. Got the fucking black egg. It's just bleach. This is dumb shit. So this literally boom, brand new full assembly, except 170. I also have another gasket kit just in case. Those little retails. Oh, but amazing. Just wanted to change this. Old one, new one. This one's fine. This is. It's alright. Water is on. No cup. Fucking perfect. Cool. There's one problem. Nice and clean. I'll save this other one just, well, because how shit fucking goes. I got this extra sumbitch. We is good to go. So now, it is a Friday. As I mentioned, I think, I am going to do some roast and probably edit some videos and some scissor. I gotta do some fucking scissor. Man, I'm fucking tired actually. I'm exhausted. I slept too much last night. I was groggy as shit all day. So, yeah. Ooh, the intrusive thought just to fucking lizard that bitch. Should I do it? Nope, don't do it. Don't make such a mess. Alright, I'm done. I also need to change out that side glass right there. She got a little crack in it. I have one. A little piece of shit. It was like $50 fucking too, so I really need to use it. We're also fucking multitasking. Caramel. Oh. While I'm waiting, it's a perfect time to put up a new batch.
caramel is caramelizing. As you can see, it's getting a weird, reddish color, orange. I'm colorblind, so. Anyway, the bubbles will get slower. And then it'll start to really caramelize. And then you have a 1 minute, if that window of really good caramel, so, gotta do it again.